Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with another video. So today I am on my UK account. I have no idea if the UK account is like locked or anything, but I'm on here. Oh, it's not locked. Yay. Oof. So I'm a noob on my UK account, but I mean, like, it's okay. I don't really care. So you have a few gifts from Pecker Hunter. So yeah, let's just go ahead and open one. Oh, them. Ooh. Oh, that's cute. School star. So thank you so much to Packer Hunter 9191. I wouldn't be able to like really make a video on here if it wasn't thanks to her. So yeah. Oof. Let's make an outfit. Okay, we got something. Oh yeah. This is good. I rarely get on my UK account. But I mean, if y'all want me to get more on my UK account, if like y'all have a UK account, y'all can friend me. You know, do what you gotta do. Like hit me up. I have no friends. So yeah. That was just like me just looking at this UK account. So if y'all guys want to hit me up on the UK account, go ahead and do that. Because, you know, my girl broke on here. So yeah. If you, oh, nice. So if you have a US account, then tell me what your name is on there, and then I'll probably remember who you are. But if not, it's perfectly fine. You don't have to. I will not be able to find that pink. Okay, we'll claim that. But thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and I'll see y'all maybe tomorrow. Bye!